This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Steve.Summerlin. First floor condo, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath. First floor condo with open floor plan. New paint, brand new carpets, kitchen plank flooring, and countertops. Enjoy the back patio with the water view. Short drive to area military bases, town center, beaches, etc. To apply, copy link https://www.retrent.com/listings/details/197E28991124 4D1C88C9611680E1B35F. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve.Summerlin at 757-420-0071.